Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is positive thinking for happiness. If you have positive thinking, then you will have happiness in life. Human happiness is central to all socio-cultural developments. Human happiness is central to all socio-cultural developments. Human happiness, your happiness, my happiness is central to life. All organizational performances depend on the level of the happiness the members of the organization enjoy. If the employees of the organization enjoy, they feel happiness in life, that happiness contributes to the development of the organization. Okay? That is why human happiness is very much important. For this, what is required? Always think positive. Positive in the sense, not only you, all people should be good in life, free from problems, free from ailments. If you feel like that, then you will have the happiness. All the happiness of the employees will contribute to the development of the company or organization. This is very important. That is why the company runners, the organizers of your organization, all what you have to do, make employees happy, their happiness contribute for the development of your company. Try to make this point in mind. Quality of human life is the basic factor for organizational performance improvement. Quality of human life is the basic factor for organizational performance improvement. Quality of human life. How many people living in slums, in Juggi, Jopadi? How many of them? Where is the quality of life? Quality of life is very much important. In democratic countries, quality of life may not be possible at all. All people cannot have quality of life. The reason is the freebies offered by the state governments and the central government. Take for instance India. All the states are offering freebies. Why free? Why free? If free is offered, people will accustomed to freebies. They don't work. Later what happens? They will suffer from BP, hypertension, sugar, DM, diabetes mellitus, cholesterol and other ailments, diseases. That is why the governments have to give free education, free health, free treatment for health. That's all. These two freebies will do, and they let the people work, let them labor, let them toil to get their meal, let them wake out, let them ache out their own meal. Why governments? Tell me. Why governments? Not at all good. This is not good for society. The political party in power, they always want to be in power. That is why they are making people lazy. That laziness leads them to commit suicides, or they may suffer from ailments that may cause in due course. That is why I request all the governments, either Andhra government or Telangana government or Government of India or any state government. Please stop freebies, give medical treatment free, education free. That's all. So let people work on their own. Let them work and eat, so that by physical labor their health will be all right. This is my request to all governments and all of you who are watching YouTube. Please tell the governments not to give any freebies other than health and education. Okay? Please do that. So then happiness will be there in the society. Quality of work life will be there in the society. If the quality of work life is there, then all people will be happy. That happiness leads to results. Okay? Be master of your life, not the prisoner of a system. You must be master of your life, not to be a prisoner of a system. You never be a prisoner to a system. Be master of your life. Wherever you are working, your life is different, your work is different. That try to understand. Half of the urban population of the world lead a life devoid of any happiness. Half of urban population of the world, they are devoid of happiness. Without happiness they are living. So without happiness, what is the use? No use. That is why in Delhi schools they introduced happiness in syllabus. Happiness classes are going on. Why? In the world today, man, what he is doing? Only happiness is missing. Real culprit in them is tension. Why half of the urban population don't have any happiness? Because they are suffering from tension. Tension, tension, tension. Why tension? Don't have tension. The things will take shape on their own. Don't have tension. This lecture is on happiness. For happiness, what is required? Positive thinking required. You know that. Stress and strain are the biggest problems of the modern city life today. In the modern city life, problem, what is the problem? Stress and strain. Don't get stressed, don't get strained. Finish. Happiness comes. But mind is not allowing. Yes, it will allow. Accustom it. Acclimatize for happiness. Instead of worrying about our homes, we are more concerned about our houses for the sake of social status. Think of your home, not of house. House for social status, home for happiness. Got the difference? Build a big house. You don't have people to live there. No wife, no children, nothing. That is only house. You will have status, social status will be there. You will have social status. If you build up home, wife, children, okay, etc., that means you will have happiness. So, what you are missing in the world today, people are missing happiness. That is why to bring back happiness in people, what you have to do, relieve your strain, stress, everything you don't want. People are building larger houses, but still do not find enough space for their ailing elderly. Big houses people are making. What is the use? Any use is there? Their aging elderly, their grandparents, their parents, they don't have the place to live. They are being sent to old age homes. What is the use? Where the culture is going? Indian ethos, Indian culture, where it is going? Big houses you constructed. There is no space for the living of the elderly, your aged people, your parents, your father, your mother, your grandparents. What is the use? Just think, please. Just think. With this lecture, The world should change. The world should transform itself for happiness life. Happy life. Almost everybody is unhappy in his own manner. I have seen. I am unhappy. You are unhappy. Everyone almost in his own manner, he is unhappy. She is unhappy. That unhappy should be replaced by happy. Unhappiness should be replaced by happiness. That happiness is very much important. That only brings you love and laurels. Mantra for the tension is be positive. Only be positive always. Positive thinking. Inculcate positive thinking. Instill positive thinking. That positive thinking will take you to heights. If you are positive, then it will take you to heights. Be positive in life. That's all. Be positive in life. All government employees also should be positive. If they are positive at least for one day in their office, miracles will happen. Miracles will happen. We need to change our attitude to look at things and change our own lives. If you change your attitude, there is a lot of transformation in you. First, change your attitude. Don't criticize people. Don't mimic at them. Change your attitude. Then you become great personality. Try that caste, Kapu, Kamma, Reddy. Why here? Why? For human people, not required. Positive thinking costs nothing but works wonders. Positive thinking it will cost nothing, but it works wonders. Positive thinking works wonders. I have positive thinking. That is why everything is spoon-fed for me. I am happy. Happiness in me. Yes. I don't have any problems. That is why that positive thinking you need to inculcate. If you have positive thinking, if you are positive, then you are the hero in life, in your own way. Positive thinking is powerful because the brain is the boss of our entire system. Our entire system, the boss is brain. The boss is brain. If you think positively, brain orders the body. You always be happy without any disease. This is the main principle. Brain is the body of our system, our total system. Brain only controls your system. Body follows the brain. This big body follows only this much brain. Yes, exactly. The great resilience that makes us adaptable all situations comes due to the power of the mind, not from the power of the muscles alone. Not from the power of the muscles alone. It's only from the mind. Please try to understand that. That is why all of you develop your brain only, not your muscles. Going to gym, building muscles, going to mind gym, brain gym, and develop the brain. Make use of mind to control situations. All the situations can be controlled if you make use of your mind. Use mind to work like medicine. Use your mind to work like medicine. More than medicine, brain works. Mind works. More than medicine. We feel that any medicine that is needed by the body must come from the pharmaceutical shop, not from within ourselves. How many of you how many people in the world are thinking? Medicine should come from within us, from the brain, not from outside pharmaceutical shop. Medicine comes from pharmaceutical shop. No, that's not correct. The medicine should come from your brain only. That is why more research on human brain is still required. Human brain is more powerful than the medicine that comes from pharmaceutical shop. Only this point, not all others, only this point. Make in mind, keep in mind, bear in mind, so that you will have answer to everything for the bodily ailments, diseases. Truth is, even a regular medicine works only when we feel and believe it is going to work. For example, sugar medicine, diabetes medicine. It will work if you eat. If you eat medicine now for sugar, it will work. If you trust only, if you don't trust the doctor, if you don't trust the medicine, it won't work for you. That means what you feel, your mind feeling is, you have taken medicine, it will cure you. That means positively you are thinking. Think whether this medicine works for sugar or not, for any disease or not, it won't work. That means you are allowing your brain, it should work for me. You are allowing your brain, then brain is accepting your word. That is why the medicines are working. Even the medicines don't work at all if you don't think positively. That is why take medicine from your brain, not from outside pharmaceutical shop, medical shop. Medicine taken with doubt is less effective. If you consume any medicine with doubt, it is less effective, not more effective. Doctors had performed operation on patients just under the spell of hypnotism without giving anesthesia. Just under the spell of hypnotism, doctors operate on the patient without anesthesia. How it is working? Because your brain is accepting what doctor is telling, then no pain, then he operates upon you. See how it is the life. So, positive think works. Positive thinking works wonders. That is why always think positive, positive, positive. That's all. Let it change our lives. Let positive thinking change our lives. Nothing changes. Not the outside mentors, advisors, pharmaceutical medicines, doctors. No, not at all. Not at all. Let inside medicine, from the brain, your thought process should be positive. That's all. If you feel your thought process is positive, then no outside medicine is needed. It is sure, I tell you. One living in modern society can fall prey to the virus of negative thinking. Negative thinking is a virus. Why you are falling prey to negative thinking? Shun, avoid, out negative thinking from now itself. Negativity is responsible for most of our ills in personal, social and official life. In personal life, social life, official life, negativity only is marring you. Negativity is only destroying you. Take out negativity from your brain, for sure you will be successful. Only positive thinking. Be positive in life. We may not be doing anything worth, yet we are always short of time. Anything worth we are not doing. Always we feel short of time. Short of time. From where? 24 hours only per day. From where other time comes, extra time doesn't come at all. Worthy things we are not doing. Still we say short of time. Who told you to go to film house, cinema theater, movie theater? Why wasted 2 hours there? If you want entertainment, watch YouTube. For example, YouTube channel, Konapareddy Movies. Movies are there, short films are there, moral sentences are there, spoken English is there, spoken Hindi is there, personality development is there, soft skills are there. Then watch. When you get bored, turn to other playlist. Humor will be there, comedy will be there. We don't do anything worthwhile, still what we claim, short of time. Why short of time? 24 hours is sufficient for making it work well. The culprit is the negative attitude. The culprit is not you, the negative attitude in you. Negative attitude should not be there. That's all. Take it out from now itself. Negative attitude only. Negative attitude narrows our vision. Negative attitude narrows our vision. Negative attitude narrows our vision. Negative attitude makes us short-sighted. Why not long-sighted? Negative attitude makes us irrational. We are not rational. We are not rational because of negative attitude. Negative attitude stops us from appreciating others. Only negative attitude stopping appreciating me. Your appreciation to me, why you not coming? Because of negative attitude. Negative attitude stops us appreciating other people. If surrounded by negative-minded people, they influence our thinking and behavior. Never be in the company of negative-minded people. That negativity will attract us also. Our mind also will be full of negativity if we are in the midst of negative-minded people. Negative-minded fellow wants everyone to become like him. A psycho wants the other fellow to become psycho. Negative-minded fellow wants the other fellow should be negative-minded fellow. The liquor taker wants the other fellow to take liquor. The prostitute wants the other fellow should become prostitute. Or they should become like us. That is the human tendency. Never be in the company of negative-minded people. That's all. Bachav yourself. Save yourself. Who we are. We came to this world through mother's womb. Okay? Who we are. We should know. Who am I? Who are you? Who is she? What is he? We should know who we are. I know. Who am I? I already understood. I did some research on it. I came to know who am I. I already understood. What you are, who you are, you should know. For that, come to Konapareddy Institute. I'll tell you how you can, who you are. I can identify ourselves who we are. We have to first identify who we are. Set goals. We get direction to follow. If we set goals in advance, we get direction to follow. If you don't set goals, then how will you grow? I set my goals. I actualized them. They are realized. Now I am in a great position. Good position. Lord Buddha went into meditation when he didn't get answers for disturbing questions. So many disturbing questions Lord Buddha had, Gautam Buddha. Then he went into deep meditation. Then he found the answers for those. That is why, because of Lord Buddha, one religion developed, that is Buddhism. Buddhism in India only, but it went to Japan. They are practicing Buddhism in Japan and they are becoming great rich people in the world. But our Buddhism, are we following? We are not following Buddhism. Lord Buddha went into a state of inner search. Lord Buddha went into inner search. In the state of inner search. What is there? What is there? What is there inside? Inner search. When he got answers to his questions, a great religion was born. He got answers for his search, inner search, then great religion was born, that is Buddhism. One of the greatest philosophies gets germinated. So Buddha brought one philosophy which is germinated. Buddhism people are following. Of course in India, some followers of Buddhism are there. So in Japan, they follow Buddhism. Buddhism born in India, Buddhism born in India went to Japan. They are practicing. In Buddhism, what they say? Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo. That means I should become great, I should become rich, I should become great personality. That's the meaning of that in Japanese language. Actually, they have taken it from Buddhism. Buddhism is ours, not theirs, but they are practicing. The Japanese are practicing. It was a positive search for truth. Buddha had a positive search for truth. The truth he found. What is truth in human life? A search for inner self. A search for inner self. Search your inner self. Search your inner self. What you are. Who are you? 5 steps to happiness. Happiness syllabus is there in Delhi schools. Why they introduced it? Tell me. Journey to happiness. How it should be. A journey of positive thinking and positive action. Always positive thinking, positive action. That's all. That is the journey to positive. That is the journey to happiness. Positive thinking and positive action. That is journey to happiness. If happiness, everything you can have. 5 steps to happiness. Journey to happiness. A journey of positive thinking and positive action. What is the journey to positive? What is the journey to happiness? Positive thinking and positive action. I am giving 5 steps to happiness. 1. Take command of your life. Take command of your life. Nothing should command you. Not outside command. You take command of your life. Number 2. Manage your time properly. Manage your time properly. Adopt time management. Do it now. There is no tomorrow. Do good work today only. Vanita says. So when you say that time it should happen, not time required. No, that time itself it should happen. That's why when I say something, when something to work with, no, you have to do same time. Don't take any time. That time itself. Bring water. Bring then only. Not after 2 minutes. Identify the roadblocks. What are the roadblocks in our way? You find out. Okay, in your life. Number 3. Absolute and total honesty. I told you 5 steps now. 2 steps over. 3rd step is absolute and total honesty required in you. Honesty makes the mind clean. It allows us to live without fear and prejudice. The most powerful weapon with us in front of adversaries is our honesty. Our mistakes are our best teachers. Number 4, no self-pity. Don't pity yourself. No, never. Face the situation. When we pity ourselves, indirectly we are accepting that we are incapable of living with courage. If you feel pity to yourself, that means you are incapable of living with courage. Self-pity not required. Self-pity is sign of weakness. When going gets tough, the tough gets going. Number 5, adapt smartness. Smartness is how we present ourselves, how we live, how we interact with others. First impression is dress up smartly. Best ornament is wear a smile. Wear a smile. Entertain your mind. Learn to laugh together. Tension releases. Give pleasure. It soon comes back to you. Become hero or heroine of your life. You become hero or heroine of your life. For your life. Finally, smartness is not God created. It is man created. Smartness is created by man, not by God. Inner mind is much more powerful than the superficial outer temporary beauty. Helen Keller was blind, deaf and dumb, yet wrote books that gave new life to underprivileged. Sonia Gandhi became more famous than most of the kings. The inner beauty matters. Happiness or unhappiness depends on your attitude. Adopt positive attitude towards life. Failures or successes are temporary. What matters is inner satisfaction, which is incomparable. Inner satisfaction. Inner satisfaction is incomparable. Nothing can be compared with inner satisfaction. I have inner satisfaction in my life. I don't have any complaints to make. Inner satisfaction. Before closing the episode, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become champion in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.